the importance of effective email communication. Email is a very common mode of communication, especially at the workplace. We all know about it. So what is the role that it plays, especially, in the modern era? So first of all, efficiency. Email allows for a quick and convenient communication, enabling individuals to send messages and information across distances instantaneously. Okay, we all know this, that this is so efficient to just send an email, especially at your workplace when you got to connect globally with people. Even then, you can connect with them, you can send them any information, you can request any document. Okay, and it saves you a lot of time and resources in comparison to when, emails were not there and we used to be dependent on the traditional mail or other forms of communication. Then the accessibility of this is just so easy. You just need an internet connection, and that's about it. And after that, you can just talk to anyone at any geographic location and any time zone. It just doesn't matter. So it has made accessibility and it has connected people together to work together. Documentation. Now, there are two things. First of all, through email, you can send any documentations. You can ask for any documentations. Okay. An email provide a written record of communication as well. So let's suppose you have been struggling with something and you are sending an email after email, chain emails to resolve a particular concern and you're not getting any response. How would you prove it later? Okay, because verbally it doesn't work. So you've got this email chain that you're sending to a particular person, whether it is a client or your customer, whoever it is. Okay, it is a chain email that you can use as a record of communication. And also in near future, if in case you need to always, anytime refer to it, you can always use it as your reference purpose. So email is a documentation itself. You know this at the workplace, it is always advised that whatever you want and whatever you are doing, just document it somewhere. Okay, if you've got the leave approved, document it somewhere. If you are doing something, document it somewhere. Okay, so that later on you can prove it to management also that I did it and I informed to whoever I wanted to, or any other sort of reference if ever it is needed in near future. Okay, now it is about asynchronous communication, which means um, unlike phone calls or face-to-face meetings, email allows for such communication, which means that the recipient can respond at their convenient. Okay, so it's not that somebody has sent you an email and you need to immediately respond to it. Okay, this flexibility accommodates diverse schedule and work style, enabling individuals to manage their time effectively. So a lot of time you will see that the response time is within 24 to 48 hours. So you've got time to reply to a particular email. So it is on your convenience. It's not that somebody has sent you an email just now and you are just supposed to reply to that email immediately. Now, the next point, which is formality and professionalism. Emails are known to be a formal mode of communication, and it seems to be, and it is known to be absolutely professional. When you are crafting an email, you are writing it to your boss, to your colleague, to your client, anybody, it should be formal and it is known to be a very professional way of communication. Reach an audience is a lot. Okay, email allows individuals to communicate with multiple recipients simultaneously at a time. You can CC them, you can use different email addresses if you want to, and there is one more feature which everybody know, which is BCC, in which you can keep somebody in loop if you want that person to also know that you're communicating with somebody, but no one else will come to know about it. So that is about the BCC. Okay, it also enables targeted communication by addressing messages to specific individuals or the group as needed. In later modules, we will see a lot of examples of different types of emails, okay? How to address the audience, how to be professional, the language and everything. Feedback and collaboration. Email can be used as a feedback also, like to collect feedback from people. So email facilitates feedback and collaboration by providing a platform for sharing ideas, exchanging information and soliciting input from others. You can ask them about your work, about the feedback of the services that you've given, and that way it will help you to improvise yourself. Also, collaboration can be done through this. Marketing and promotion. A lot of emails that you see nowadays, they are that is called newsletters. You will see it in your inbox. A lot of emails from different companies. They are promotional emails, okay, and they give you certain offers at times, or at times they just create the brand awareness, okay, and they are created just for the marketing purpose. So marketing and promotion can also be done through email. Crisis communication. In times of crisis or emergencies, email can be an effective communication tool for disseminating critical information, okay, updates, instructions to the stakeholders. Okay, anyways, whenever there is something important, we never want to go through the phone calls, and we explain everything in an email that how do you want to go about it. If there is any critical information, we love to give it only in an email. It provides a centralized platform for distributing important information. So if you have ever worked, you will know that one sort of email with important information, some changes in business, something that is important, okay, any change in the policy, that will all be enrolled to everybody, and it's the same email that goes to everyone. So it's just going to be absolutely uniform email. Okay, global connectivity. So we have already spoken about it. No matter wherever you are on this planet Earth, just with one internet connectivity, you can be globally connect with anyone on the email. Okay, now next we are going to discuss about the key principles of successful email writing.